Welcome to another databits Fix-It video. In about 1 minute, we are going to show you how to disable the music auto launch feature on your Apple Watch. Mine today is the Apple Watch SE, and I am running watchOS number 9. Let's go ahead and press that digital crown, and we're going to go down to Settings. Once you're into Settings, go into General, and then scroll down with your digital crown and go to Auto Launch. Tap it, and here's the screen. Go ahead and turn off Auto Launch Audio Apps. Just press the little button right here, just tap it and turn it off, and now you are good to go. And now music is not going to be displayed on your watch when you don't want it to. Thanks for watching.